DJ dreams go beyond.
New vacancy in the UAE. Planning Manager Civil. We are seeking an experienced and detail-oriented planning manager to lead the planning and scheduling function for our residential and villa construction projects in Abu Dhabi. Requirements: bachelor's degree, B.Tech, plus B.E. in civil engineering from a recognized university. Minimum 12 years of experience in planning and project control roles within the UAE construction industry. Proven experience in villa, residential building projects is mandatory. Proficiency in Primavera P6, MS Project, and Advanced Excel. Strong knowledge of construction sequencing, resource management, and EOT claims. Excellent leadership, communication, and coordination skills. Ability to work under pressure and meet strict deadlines. Interested? UAE-based, strong building, residential villa. Construction experienced candidates, please send their CV to anisha@jayan@alrawabit.com.
Subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on new job vacancies.